Artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI, is rapidly changing the world we live in. It has already had a significant impact on our lives, and it's set to become even more influential in the future. From healthcare to education, entertainment, transportation, and communication, AI is poised to transform virtually every aspect of our lives. In this video, we'll explore some of the ways AI will have an impact on your life in the future. Healthcare. One of the most significant impacts of AI will be in the field of healthcare. With the help of AI-powered technologies, doctors and healthcare providers will be able to diagnose and treat diseases more accurately and efficiently. AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data, including medical history, test results, and even genetic information, to develop personalized treatment plans. AI can also help doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately, which can significantly improve patient outcomes. 2. Education. AI is also set to revolutionize the education sector. It can personalize the learning experience for each student, allowing them to learn at their own pace and in their own way. AI can also help teachers create personalized lesson plans based on a student's strengths and weaknesses. With AI-powered technologies, students can access educational content anytime, anywhere, and in any language, making education more accessible to everyone. 3. Entertainment. AI is already having a significant impact on the entertainment industry. Streaming services like Netflix and Amazon Prime are already using AI to suggest content to viewers based on their viewing history and preferences. In the future, AI could be used to create personalized content for each viewer, based on their preferences and interests. AI could also be used to create new forms of entertainment, such as virtual reality experiences and interactive games. 4. Transportation. AI is already being used in self-driving cars, and this technology is set to become more prevalent in the future. Self-driving cars have the potential to reduce traffic congestion, improve road safety, and reduce the environmental impact of transportation. AI could also be used to optimize transportation systems, such as public transportation, to make them more efficient and user-friendly. 5. Communication. AI is already being used to improve communication between people who speak different languages. Translation software like Google Translate uses AI to translate text and speech in real time. In the future, AI could be used to improve communication in other ways, such as by creating virtual assistants that can understand natural language and provide personalized assistance. 6. Employment. AI is set to have a significant impact on the job market in the future. While AI-powered technologies will create new job opportunities, they will also eliminate some existing jobs. For example, AI could replace jobs in industries like manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. However, AI will also create new job opportunities in fields like data analysis, software development, and AI research. 7. Security. AI could also be used to improve security in a variety of ways. For example, AI could be used to monitor public spaces and detect potential threats. AI could also be used to analyze social media and other online platforms to identify potential threats and prevent attacks. AI-powered technologies could also be used to improve cybersecurity by detecting and preventing cyber attacks in real time. 8. Personalization. AI is set to revolutionize personalization in virtually every industry. With the help of AI-powered technologies, companies can create personalized products and services based on a customer's preferences and interests. This could include personalized recommendations for products, customized services based on a customer's needs, and personalized marketing campaigns. In conclusion, AI is set to have a significant impact on our lives in the future. From healthcare to education, entertainment, transportation, and communication, AI is poised to transform virtually every aspect of our lives. While AI-powered technologies will create new job opportunities and improve many aspects of our lives, they will also eliminate some existing jobs. It's essential to prepare for these changes by acquiring new skills and adapting to the new job market. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on our lives. Some people worry about the ethical implications of AI, such as privacy concerns, bias, and the potential for AI to be used for nefarious purposes. It's essential to have regulations in place to ensure that AI is used ethically and for the benefit of society. In conclusion, AI will have a profound impact on our lives in the future, and we need to be prepared for these changes. While AI-powered technologies have the potential to improve many aspects of our lives, we must also consider the ethical implications and ensure that AI is used for the benefit of society. By embracing the potential of AI while being mindful of its limitations and potential drawbacks, we can create a future that benefits everyone.